Welcome to the enchanting world of birds, a realm filled with vibrant colors, mesmerizing songs, and fascinating behaviors. These feathered wonders are not just a part of nature, they are nature's living masterpieces.
From the smallest hummingbirds, flitting like jeweled butterflies, to the majestic eagles soaring high above, birds captivate our imaginations. Their colors are a painter's palette brought to life, each hue and shade serves a purpose, from attracting mates to blending into the environment.
Birds inhabit nearly every corner of our planet, adapting to diverse environments with incredible skill. Whether in dense rainforests, arid deserts, or bustling urban landscapes, these resilient creatures find ways to thrive.
But it's not just their beauty that makes birds special. Their behaviors are equally fascinating. From intricate nest building to elaborate courtship dances, and from long migratory journeys to the simple act of feeding their young, birds demonstrate a unique combination of intelligence and instinct.
As the sun sets and the skies fill with flocks heading to their roosts, we are reminded of the timeless connection between these creatures and the world they inhabit, a connection that we too share, if we only take a moment to observe and appreciate it.
So next time you step outside, take a moment to look up and listen. The world of birds is all around us, waiting to be discovered, admired, and protected. Let's cherish these avian gems, for they make our world a richer, more colorful place. Avian migration is a natural process in which many birds travel thousands or even hundreds of kilometers over the course of their flight to locate the optimal biological conditions and habitats for foraging, nesting, and rearing their young. Birds like Arctic tern migrates from the Arctic to the Antarctic, barn swallow migrates from Europe and Asia to Africa, Siberian crane migrates from Siberia to China and India, white stork travels from Europe to Africa, northern wheatear migrates from Europe and Asia to Africa, fork-tailed flycatcher migrates from South America to Central America, Swainson's thrush migrates from North America to South America. Bar-tailed godwit travels from Alaska to New Zealand and Australia. Caspian tern moves between Australasia and other regions like Asia and Africa. These birds undertake incredible journeys, often covering thousands of miles, to breed, feed, or escape harsh climates.
Birds exhibit a range of fascinating and sometimes strange behaviors, particularly when it comes to migration. Here are some examples: nocturnal migration. Many birds, including warblers and thrushes, migrate at night. This behavior helps them avoid predators and use the stars for navigation. Altitude shifts. Some birds, like the bar-headed goose, migrate at incredibly high altitudes. These geese are known to fly over the Himalayas, reaching altitudes of up to 29,000 feet, where oxygen levels are low and temperatures are freezing. Reverse migration. Occasionally, birds engage in reverse migration, where they fly in the opposite direction of their intended destination. This can be due to disorientation or genetic quirks. While it usually leads to the birds ending up far off course, it can sometimes help them avoid bad weather. Leapfrog migration. In some species, such as certain shorebirds, populations from the northernmost breeding grounds will migrate the farthest south, leapfrogging over more southerly populations that migrate shorter distances. This odd pattern helps reduce competition for food and nesting sites. Zugenruhe. This is a German term meaning migratory restlessness. Birds about to migrate show heightened activity and anxiety, often flapping their wings or hopping restlessly, even in captivity. This behavior is believed to be driven by internal biological clocks and environmental cues. Navigating using the Earth's magnetic field. Many birds, including pigeons and robins, use the Earth's magnetic field to navigate during migration. Long-distance migration. The Arctic tern holds the record for the longest migration, traveling from the Arctic to the Antarctic and back each year, a round trip of about 25,000 miles. This extreme journey allows the bird to experience 2 summers each year and avoid harsh winter conditions. Molting during migration. Some birds, like the American goldfinch, undergo molting, shedding and regrowing feathers, during M.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content about the natural world.